National Weather Service in Topeka has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Jefferson County in northeastern Kansas, southern Jackson County in northeastern Kansas, until 2:15 p.m. At 1:27 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Holton to 6 miles northeast of Louisville, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Holton around 1:35 p.m. Mayetta around 1:40 p.m. Denison around 1:45 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Valley Falls, Ozaukee, Perry Lake, Oskaloosa, McLouth, and Winchester. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.